running a WooCommerce store, you have probably realized that shipping can quickly become one of the most challenging parts of managing your online business. While WooCommerce offers basic shipping options, many stores need more flexibility to create shipping methods that fit their specific business requirements. In today's video, we'll explore Flexible Shipping Pro by Octolize, a powerful WooCommerce plugin that lets you create advanced shipping rules using a wide range of conditions, including order value, package weight, products, shipping classes, cart contents, and much more. We'll also take a look at one of its standout features, the built-in AI assistant, which helps simplify even complex shipping configurations. In addition, I'll show you how to use features like the free shipping progress bar, time-based rules, debug mode, stop rule logic, and the available add-ons that extend the plugin's functionality even further. By the end of the tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how Flexible Shipping Pro can help you create flexible, accurate, and easy to manage shipping methods for your WooCommerce store. So let's jump in and see how it works. Flexible Shipping Pro is a powerful WooCommerce shipping plugin that allows store owners to create advanced shipping rules based on different conditions such as weight, order value, products, and shipping classes. Unlike WooCommerce's default shopping options, Flexible Shipping Pro provides much more flexibility and control over how shipping costs are calculated. It allows you to create custom shipping scenarios that match the specific needs of your store. To get started, I'll navigate to WooCommerce and open the settings section. Here we can manage all shipping-related settings for our WooCommerce store, including shipping zones and shipping methods. Shipping zones allows us to create different shipping methods for different geographical regions. For example, a store can have separate shipping settings for the United States, Europe, or other locations where it delivers product. Inside each shipping zone, we can add and manage different shipping methods, and this is where Flexible Shipping Pro integrates with WooCommerce and allows us to create more advanced shipping configurations. This is the main configuration area of Flexible Shipping Pro. From here, we can manage shipping settings and create custom rules that determine how shipping costs are calculated based on different conditions. Now that we understand what Flexible Shipping Pro is and where it is located, let's move on to creating our first shipping method and exploring the plugin interface in more detail. Inside the shipping zone section, we can see all the locations where our store delivers. Each zone can have its own shipping methods and rules. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Europe shipping zone. However, the same process can be applied to any shipping zone you create. To add Flexible Shipping Pro, I'll click on Add Shipping Method and select Flexible Shipping from the available options. After adding the method, we can access the main configuration page of Flexible Shipping Pro. This is the main interface where we can manage our shipping method. Here we can set up the basic configuration and prepare the shipping rules that will determine how shipping costs are calculated. At this stage, we can see the main areas where shipping conditions and calculations will be managed. Flexible Shipping Pro allows us to create different scenarios based on factors like order weight, cart value, products, and other conditions. The interface is organized clearly, making it easier to create both simple and advanced shipping configurations for different business needs. Now that we have created our first shipping method and understand the basic interface, let's explore one of the most powerful features of Flexible Shipping Pro, the AI Assistant. The AI Assistant helps us create shipping rules faster by allowing us to describe the shipping scenario we want to set up. Instead of manually configuring every condition, we can use AI to generate a suitable role based on our requirements. For this example, I'll create a simple shipping rule. I'll name it Create a Shipping Rule, where orders under 5 kg have a shipping cost of $10. The AI assistant analyzes the request and generates the corresponding shipping rule automatically. And as you see, the rule has been created based on the conditions we provided. We can review the generated settings and make adjustment if it is needed. So the AI assistant makes it easier to create shipping scenarios, especially when working with more complex conditions and calculations. Now let's move on to manually creating different shipping rules and explore the flexibility of the plugin. The main advantage of Flexible Shipping Pro is that we can calculate shipping costs based on different conditions, such as weight, order value, products, and shipping classes. For the start, let's create a weight-based shipping rule. For example, we can set a rule where lighter orders have a lower shipping cost, while heavier orders have a high shipping rate. And this will allow shipping costs to automatically adjust depending on the total weight of the customer's order. After that, let's create a rule based on the total order value. For example, we can charge different shipping rates depending on cart total. This type of rule will be useful when you want to encourage customers to place larger orders. Also, Flexible Shipping Pro allows us to create rules based on specific products. For example, we can set a special shipping cost for a specific product that requires different handling. This can be useful for stores selling products with different shipping requirements. And another useful option is creating rules based on shipping classes. Shipping classes allows us to group similar products together and apply specific shipping calculations. For example, large or heavier products can have a different shipping rate compared to standard items. Finally, we can create rules based on the number of items or cart line items. For example, we can increase the shipping cost when customers add more items to their cart. Flexible Shipping Pro gives us full control over how shipping costs are calculated. We can combine different conditions to create simple or advanced shipping scenarios based on our store's needs. Now that we have created different shipping rules, let's look at how we can create time-based shipping conditions. Time-based rules are useful when we want shipping options to charge depending on specific days or times. For instance, a store may offer different shipping rates during weekends or outside regular business hours. To create a time-based rule, I need to click on Add New Condition. And here we can create a rule that applies only on specific days, such as on weekends. We can set Saturday and Sunday, and this will allow us to apply different shipping costs depending on the day the order is placed. We can also use a time of day condition and create special shipping rule that applies during certain hours. These time-based conditions give store owners more control over their shipping strategy and allow them to create more advanced shipping scenarios. Now that we've explored time-based rules, let's look at how to improve the customer experience with the Free Shipping Progress Bar. Free Shipping Progress Bar feature helps encourage customers to increase their order value by showing them how close they are to reaching free shipping. Here we can enable the progress bar and customize the message displayed to customers. We can create a message that informs customers how much more they need to spend to unlock free shipping. I'll customize the message to make it clear and helpful for customers. The progress bar shows customers their current progress toward free shipping. This creates a better shopping experience and can help increase the average order value. Now that we have configured the free shipping progress bar, let's move on to the debug mode and see how we can test and verify our shipping rules. As your shipping rules become more advanced, it's important to make sure they are working as expected. Flexible Shipping Pro includes a debug mode that helps verify how shipping rules are being applied. I'll enable debug mode, and with this debug mode enabled, the plugin displays additional information that helps us understand which shipping rules are being matched and how the shipping cost is calculated. Let's look at how stop rule logic works when multiple shipping rules could apply at the same time. This option controls what happens when multiple shipping rules could apply to the same order. For this example, I'll create two rules that could both match the same order. The first rule applies to orders that meet one set of conditions, while the second rule also matches the same order. By default, the plugin can evaluate multiple rules. However, when stop rule is enabled, Flexible Shipping prompt stops checking additional rules after the first matching rule is found. I'll enable the stop rule option and save the changes. With stop rule enabled, only the first matching rule is applied. This helps avoid overlapping shipping calculations and ensures that customers receive the intended shipping rate. This feature is especially useful when creating more advanced shipping configurations with multiple rules. Now let's take a quick look at some additional add-ons that extend the functionality of Flexible Shipping Pro. Flexible Shipping Pro can be extended even further with additional add-ons that provide even more advanced shipping capabilities. One available extension is distance-based shipping rules, which allows shipping costs to be calculated based on the distance between your store and the customer's delivery address. Another useful extension is Flexible Shipping Locations, which provides more precise location-based shipping options for different delivery areas. There is also box packing, which helps calculate shipping costs based on how products fit into shipping boxes, making shipping calculations more accurate. And finally, import-export, which allows you to quickly transfer shipping configurations based on different WooCommerce stores, saving time when managing multiple websites. If these add-ons are not installed, they can be added later to further expand the functionality of Flexible Shipping Pro. That concludes our overview of Flexible Shipping Pro. In this tutorial, we've explored how to create shipping methods, build flexible shipping rules, use the AI assistant, configure time-based conditions, enable the free shipping process bar, troubleshoot with Debug Mode, and manage advanced rule logic. Flexible Shipping Pro provides powerful and flexible way to customize shipping in WooCommerce, making it easier to create shipping strategies that fit with your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you with better understanding how Flexible Shipping Pro works.